The class that I teach is Tech Challenges, and one of the things that I really love about that class is that there's a variety of different things that we can do. It's not just one thing that we do in the class, and so it's not just coding and making games, but we work with robotics, we work with 3D design and printing, and so between those things I find there's something that students can find interesting. The nice thing about our class is there's a really wide entry point, and so there's opportunities for those that are brand new and to progress at the pace that works for them, and for those that are more experienced to have a different entry point and progress at their own pace. When I think about creativity in my class, I think about how some students really enjoy making games, and so they sometimes will bring in things that they might do in art class into the shapes or the figures that they use in their games. Or I look at a student who might be really good at doing pencil sketching and how they might be able to take a picture of their pencil sketch and bring it into a program and use it to make a 3D design with something they've drawn by hand. And so they can start to pull in these different parts about them, about being creative, that aren't just about writing code and doing those types of things, which often is what I think people think about technology. A lot of the research has shown that the jobs of tomorrow are going to involve technology in some way. And so the more exposure and the more experience that we give students and the opportunities they have to be creative with technology, I think just helps to build the skills and the confidence that they need for some of the jobs they might have in the future.